I'm sorry, I'm not really in a good mental and psychological condition right now, so this is just gonna be a short video. How to stay consistent at literally doing anything. The thing that you want to be doing here is to have a really crystal clear idea of what is the thing that you are going to be doing. Notice most people, when they say that they are going to be consistent at exercising or studying, they only say, oh yeah, I'm gonna be exercising every single day, I'm gonna be studying every single day. This is problematic because this is really, really unclear. I mean, what type of exercising you are going to be doing, what type of studying, how many minutes you are going to be spending your time doing your studying. Most importantly, how can you even be consistent at doing something if you don't even have any clear grasp of what is the thing that you are going to be doing? So the thing that you're going to be doing here is to make it clear by making it specific and also measurable. Instead of saying that you are going to be doing some exercising consistently, you say that you are going to be doing some stretching for 5 minutes every single day. It's specific and also it's measurable. Instead of saying that you are going to be studying every single day, you say that you are going to be reading a book for 10 pages every single day. So this way you can precisely know how much is enough. How much exercising is enough exercising, how much studying is enough studying. The feeling of accomplishment from, oh yeah, I said that I'm going to be doing this thing and I actually did this thing is going to create some confidence inside of yourself that, hey, actually you are able to be consistent at doing something. Actually, you can do something that you say that you are going to be doing. Good luck. This video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I edit it by myself.